Good morning, guys. This is Gail with Gail's Southern Living. What am I going to talk about today? I'm going to talk about vitamins. So Walmart has on their shelf and has had for a while vitamins made in China. Seriously, do we want our vitamins made in China? Probably not. Not things that you're going to ingest into your body. I do not suggest to be from China, even though I'm sure most everything on the shelf is. So that got me thinking after I saw China on my vitamins that I needed to purchase some better quality vitamins. So I looked it up on the internet. I found this company called Bronson Basics, and they are out of New York. So hubby and I take biotin for arthritis. I'm not a medical professional, and this is not medical advice. But we take biotin for arthritis. It really helps. It takes about a month to get into your system, and it really, really helps with all your arthritic pain. So, in my opinion, in my experience. So, hubby decided to replace our biotin bottle that we share and take in the morning. And at the same time, he purchased me some more vitamins. So he purchased a vitamin B complex with vitamin C in it. Also magnesium, which is good for sleeping, weight management, constipation, nerves, cardiovascular. And selenium, which is good for also for weight management and several other things. And selenium is a vitamin we used to produce in our body naturally, but by the way we're eating nowadays, we're not producing it naturally anymore. So we have to replace that. So a couple of these vitamins are for weight management, and then, like I said, the biotin is for arthritic pain. So we both take that, and I definitely recommend these vitamins to you guys. The B complex I didn't pick out, but I'm sure would totally be useful to us. But be sure and verify that your vitamins are made in the USA, or at least somewhere that you trust to get your vitamins from. So do check your packaging on food and vitamins to make sure where it's being made, guys. So this is just a public service announcement from Gail Southern Living. Please check where your vitamins are coming from. And I do recommend the vitamins at Bronson Basics. So I'll try to include their link in the description box of this video. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoy this public service announcement from Gail. Have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys. Bye, everybody.